Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 2nd. This is my PM recap of the US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to check out my website, fxpcollector.com. So I zoomed out quite a bit on the euro dollar so you kind of get the higher time frame perspective. Because to me, it still looks like a wave A. It still looks like a wave B. I'm looking to see if it does respect one of these fib levels, either the 61 or maybe even the 78, and end up going down for a wave C. It still seems like the most likely approach is that it's going to make a more of a proper ABC correction, which will likely go down to a daily time frame Fibonacci retracement of this whole last move up. So more of like an A, B, C, and then hopefully continue the uptrend once that's complete. But we'll see how it plays out. Tonight is potentially going to be a really, really big night because the tariff news is coming out about 30 minutes after this video drops. I think that the Elliot wave pattern is telling us that this is likely a wave B, but we're definitely going to have to keep an eye on it around that speech that Trump is doing this evening, about 30 minutes after this release of this video, because it could really do anything, to be honest with you. It's a pretty big deal, those tariffs. So if it continues to respect this, makes impulsive moves down, then I think it's the way B. If it doesn't, and it does decide to go up and continue to make higher highs, higher lows on this 1 hour time frame, then I guess you should and will continue to look for longs. Really, what you would want to see is, maybe on the 15, 30-minute time frame, a nice solid break of structure to the downside to show that this really is the end of a wave B. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.